Good morning. Today is Super Saturday, March 24th, 2018, and this is the Wake Up Call with CJ Halleck. It's time to get up. All right, so today's thought of the day is a quote by Dr. Albert Ellis, and it is, "There are three musts that hold us back. I must do well, you must treat me well, and the world must be easy." And the reason I wanted to do this is it's really a deep quote if you really think about it. If you think and have the mindset that those three musts actually happen for you to have a good life, then you're destined for failure. And so what you need to do is make sure that those three musts in your life aren't there, that you're not focused on it, you're not allowing those musts to control your happiness, because obviously you're going to fail. You're not going to do well and be amazing and great at everything you do every single time you try. It doesn't matter how great you are. Even the greats in everything from sports to actors, actresses, musicians, everyone has an off day. Everyone falls down. It's just a matter of, if you believe that you falling is going to mean you're going to fall for the rest of your life, or if you pick yourself up and keep moving forward and continue to have a positive outlook every time, you're not going to get people to treat you 100% fairly. They're not going to care what you think. They're going to be negative. They're going to go through all this stuff. You're going to come across those types of people, and you're not going, if people treating you nicely and everything else is a factor on your happiness, that's another thing. And then, of course, the last is, the world isn't fair. Nobody said the world was fair. And if you believe that the world must be easy and fair, then you're already shot, right? Your chances of staying with a good mindset and being happy in life are probably the chances are so slim. So remember those three musts, let them go, move forward without them, and continue to rock, be yourself, and be happy with who you are. And like I said, I think it was yesterday morning, in the moment you're in, be happy. And that's all that matters. That being said, hope everyone has a terrific Super Saturday, and hope you guys just smile, enjoy life, and make sure you help others enjoy theirs as well. That being said, my name is CJ Halleck with CJHalleck.com. This has been your Wake Up Call. Have a good day. Be great. Stay boosting. See you at the top.